bit further along the same road from the chalk stream, now on the north side of the village, just standing in a shady bit. Just the church is actually over there, but you can't quite see it. Very sunny today. Let's just show you this beautiful cathedral of trees, avenue of trees. We can get that in. I can't actually see anything because the sun is blinding me, but I'm hoping that's coming out because that is the avenue of trees, and just want to walk down here. It's not it's very overgrown. It's not a natural lake. I know that because last year when we had really extreme hot weather for over 8 weeks, this completely dried up as I kept an eye on it, and I've never known that before. So, and I didn't know until then that I thought that it wasn't natural because it didn't refill until we had, thankfully, a lot of rain again this year to make up for last year, and slowly but surely this began to refill. It's still not at its height that it was at. You can see. Oh, I hope you caught that. There's a white, is it a heron or an egret? No, you don't get white herons, I don't think. I think it was an egret. And, well, you might get white herons, I don't know. There's a lot more that I don't know than I do know. At least I know that I don't know. I don't know what I don't know. Oh, I'll start setting all the pigeons, which I don't want to do. You do sometimes get some ducks here. I mean, it must be a nice little calm oasis for them all. And there's just a bit more water. It goes all the way, goes quite a way back. You get a few dragonflies, and as soon as it filled back up again, everything came back. There was one year, I can't remember when, so long ago, at least 20 years ago, and it was actually down this road. There's some ditches at the side of the road, and they'd filled up with water, and there was an abundance, a plethora of frogs. One day, just walking down this road, it was like you literally couldn't step along the road. All the road was completely just filled with these tiny little frogs hopping over the road. Never seen it before, and I've never seen it since. Yeah, blessed to be able to be there to see that. So there's lots of stinging nettles. I don't know if it's a good time to pick them, but if it is, I may be grateful to put some rubbish. Grateful to have some that actually have a very nice flavour. Okay, we'll just go this way because it's also a beautiful view. Lovely breeze today, southwest. house. Some cyclists come in. This is a good route for cyclists and walkers. It's usually filled with people walking or jogging or walking their dogs or cyclists. It's a good circuit, especially a good circuit for going around the village. It's a nice enough walk. It's long enough, and as you can see, it has much beauty on offer. So let's finish filming before the cyclists get to us. Up there's also a house. That used to be a pub called the Coprolites. Used to be some coprolite mining here years ago. Anyway, before we get the cyclists, I shall say goodbye. Until next time.